Hey Cook Masters! Today, we're making a delicious and easy garlic butter shrimp that's perfect for a quick dinner or a fancy appetizer. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Now, let's grab a large pan. Add in 1 elbow large shrimp, shell on, 3 tablespoons unsalted butter, 3 cloves garlic, minced, 2 tablespoons Old Bay seasoning, 1 lemon, juiced, fresh parsley for garnish, and lemon wedges for serving. Sauté everything together until fragrant. Once cooked, pour the shrimp mixture into a serving dish. Garnish with fresh parsley on top. Now, enjoy immediately while warm, and feel free to squeeze some extra lemon juice or pair with crusty bread on the side. And that's it. Serve warm, and feel free to drizzle some extra butter or add a side of steamed vegetables if you like. Prep time is just 10 minutes. Cooking time is 5 minutes. And you'll have this tasty dish ready in only 15 minutes, with just 200 calories per serving. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and follow us at Cookmaster Tips on Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube for more delicious recipes like this one. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking. See you next time.